Hai, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Cikgu L channel. Okay, untuk video ini Cikgu sediakan khas untuk pelajar-pelajar Cikgu daripada kelas 2A1, 2A2 dan 2A3. Okay, jadi Cikgu akan cover untuk chapter 1 Patterns and Sequence, yang mana Cikgu tahu ada kelas yang belum cover sebab awak daripada Cikgu yang lain. Okay, jadi Cikgu harap video ini dapat membantu awak menguasai chapter 1 iaitu Patterns and Sequence. Okay, dan video ini adalah berkaitan dengan 1.2 Sequences. Okay, jom. Okay, baiklah, learning standardnya ialah berkaitan dengan explain the meaning of sequence. So, you have to know what is sequence. Okay, sequence is a set of number of or object arranged according to a certain pattern. Okay, dalam 1.1 you have learned what is pattern. Okay, pattern, apa dia pattern, awak dah tahu. Okay, alright. And then sequences, sequence, okay, sequence apa dia is a set of number. Bila kita sebut sequence, a set of number yang dia arrange according to certain pattern. Okay, for example, adding 2 to the previous number, okay, multiply 2 by the previous number and so on. Okay, selain daripada number, okay, objek juga boleh kita susun-susun, arrange dan dapat pattern. Okay, yang mana kita boleh nampak dalam situasi kita dalam sekeliling kita. Okay, macam contohnya tempat yang berjalan tu kan, ada susunan bata-bata, itu adalah sequence. Okay, dia disusun, objek-objek itu disusun dengan mengikut pattern. Okay, but in mathematics now kita akan tengok a set of number. Okay, a set of number that arrange according to a pattern. Okay, dia ada certain pattern ataupun certain condition yang dia fulfill. Okay, alright. Dalam 1.22, okay, the learning standard is to identify and describe the patterns of sequence, and then you have to complete and extend the sequence. Jadi maksudnya di sini, before you know you want to complete, okay, the number sequence, the first thing you have to know is the pattern. Okay, yang penting ialah pattern. Awak kena tahu apa dia pattern untuk list of number itu. Okay, alright, look at example 6. Okay, now look at example 6. Determine whether each set of number is a sequence. Sekarang ni awak nak ditentukan sama ada, okay, sekejap cikgu tunjuk. Okay, yang ni dia bagi a list of number. Okay, dia bagi list of number. So you have to identify, you have to determine whether each of this set of number is a sequence or not. So nak determine sama ada dia sequence or not sequence, dia mesti ada pattern. Kalau tak ada pattern, itu bukan number sequence. Okay, look at example 6a. Okay, from -10 to -6. Okay, di sini dia dah bertunjukkan. Okay, adding 4. Okay, adding 4. And then -6, macam mana boleh dapat -2? Juga adding 4. Alright, and -2, macam mana boleh dapat 2? Masih lagi adding 4. So dia fulfill a certain condition. Okay, dia nampak pattern yang sama. Okay, the pattern. So bila nak tahu sama ada is it a number sequence or not number sequence, you have to determine its pattern. Okay, so the pattern is add 4 to the previous number. Okay, therefore the set of number sequence is, therefore the set of number is a sequence. Okay, look at example B. Okay, 4 to 5 is adding 1. And then 5 to -7 is -12. And then 7, -7, macam mana boleh dapat 10? Is adding 17. So dia tak uniform, not uniform. Okay, tak ada pattern, no pattern. Okay, kat sini none. Tak ada, pattern tu tak ada. Bila tak ada pattern, therefore the set of number is not a sequence. Okay, not a sequence. Okay. Okay, next kita tengok. Okay, next example, example 7. You can refer to your textbook. Okay, because example yang cikgu bagi kat sini semuanya daripada textbook. Okay, untuk memudahkan awak membuat rujukan. Alright. Number sequence. Tadi kita dah tahu what is number sequence. Okay, what is sequence ataupun what is number sequence? It's a set of number that have patterns. Okay, kalau tak ada pattern, it is not a number sequence. Alright, now look at example 7. complete the number sequence below. Disebut kat sini number sequence. Dia menggunakan term number sequence. Okay, cikgu padam sekejap. Okay. Ni, number sequence. Maksudnya, bila dia kata number sequence, this set of number have pattern. Okay. Set number ni, yang dia bagi set number ni, a list of number ni, dia ada pattern. So, the first step you have to know, okay, you have to do is, you have to determine its pattern before you fill in, before you complete the number sequence ni. Alright? Okay, now. Okay. So, awak boleh tengok, okay, you analyze this number sequence, okay, cuba dapatkan what is the pattern. Okay, so you look at this one, 7 to 13. How you know, what is the pattern? Macam mana 7 nak dapat 13? Okay, cikgu salin semula di bahagian bawah ni. Okay, 7, 13, blank, 25, blank, and then blank, and then and so on. Okay, titik 3 ni bermaksud and so on. Alright, so 7 to 13. How you get from 7 to 13? Okay, is adding 6. Okay, now you have to determine the pattern. Okay, then awak cuba tengok betul ke pattern dia adding 6. Okay, cuba kalau kita tengok, kalau 13, kalau kita tambahkan dengan 6 di sini, okay, 13 plus 6 is 19. Okay, is it correct? The answer is 19. Awak teruskan lagi, tengok dekat sini, kalau 19 plus 6, is it 25? Yes, you get the answer. Okay, you get the answer. 19 plus 6 is 25, and then you continue with the same pattern. Okay, so this one is adding 6, okay, so you get the answer. So 25 plus 6 is 31, 31 plus 6 is 37. Okay, now look at example B. Okay, now dia bagi 8 and then blank. Macam mana nak dapatkan dia punya pattern? Okay, teruskan lagi. Daripada blank nak dapat 64. Macam mana tu? 64 nak dapat 52. How? Macam mana ya? You have to think. Okay, now dekat sini dia uji awak punya kefahaman dan awak perlu diuji cara awak berfikir. Okay, 64. How you get 64? 64 to 52. How to get that one? Okay, how to get the number? Okay, how to get the value? How to get the figure? Alright, so 64 to 52, is it adding or subtract? You have to identify whether it's adding or subtract or power off. Okay, itu pattern-pattern yang mungkin ada. Okay, adding, subtraction, and then multiplication and division, and mungkin dia guna power off or square root of. So you have to identify the pattern. Okay, so 64 kalau tengok kat sini mungkin dia kena tolak sebab number dia decrease. Okay, from 88 and then blank, and then dapat 64. Okay, kemudian dapat 52. Macam mana mesti dia decrease. Kalau decrease ni mungkin sama ada the subtraction ataupun the division. Okay, so you try. Okay, you try 64, macam mana dapat 52 is, berapa answer dia? Berapa? Macam mana dari 64 dapat 52? Okay, kalau tak tahu nak kira, okay, tak apalah, kita guna calculator. Sekejap, cikgu buka calculator. Okay, I open my calculator. Alright. So, macam mana? Okay, kita tengok. Okay, 64. 64 minus 52 is 12. Okay, so 64 minus 2 is 12. Okay, so here is minus 12. Minus 12, bukan 2 ya, minus 12. Okay, then awak uji. Adakah betul, is it this pattern is minus 12? Sebab yang belakang tu dah tak ada number, so awak tak boleh nak identify. So awak cuba semula daripada 88. Kalau 88 minus 12, Okay, cuba kira 88 minus 12 is 76. Kalau kat sini 76, here kalau dia 76 betul ke? 76 minus dengan 12. Kalau kita minus 12, 76 minus 12. Yeah, you get the answer 64. So the pattern is minus 12 ataupun subtract 12 from the previous number. Alright. Now, look at the other example. C. Ini macam nampak susah sikitnya sebabnya dia ada decimal. Awak tengok, okay? Cuba kaji tengok macam mana daripada blank ni dapat 0.3 and then daripada 0.3 ni, okay, tak ada number. Okay, teruskan lagi. Okay, kosong daripada blank tu dapat 0.027. Macam mana ni masih tak dapat lagi. Dan awak tengok 0.027 nak dapatkan 0.081. How? Adakah awak tengok number dia number yang makin kat sini kita tengok 0.3. 0.3 kemudian ada blank. Kemudian 0.027 and then 0.000. Banyaknya number ni. Okay, so how? You have to think. Okay, is it addition? I don't think so. Is it subtraction? Kalau subtract boleh ke ni? Kalau subtract tak mungkin number dia semakin kecil macam ni. Is it multiplication? Is it multiplication? Yeah. Is it multiplication? So, okay, macam mana? Kalau kata multiplication, mungkin juga. Okay, mungkin, maybe. So, you have to try. Try. Okay, so kita akan tengok daripada number 0.027 and 0.081. Okay, kalau nak dapatkan pattern ni, kita cuba buat backward. Daripada 0.0081 and then kalau nak darab bagi nak dapat 0.027, tak kan? So kita bahagi, tengok. Bahagi dengan 0.027. So answer is 0.3. Yeah, here you get 0.3. Tapi is it multiplication or division? Okay, so tadi saya buat backward from 0.081 nak dapatkan 0.027. So masa saya buat backward is multiplication. So nak dapatkan semula ke hadapan itu, so dia akan jadi multiply. Okay, so multiply 0.3. Okay, maksudnya pattern ni 0.3. Is it correct? So kita try tengok. So yang ni, okay. Okay, saya tulis kat bawah supaya lebih jelas. Okay, blank and then 0.3 and then blank and then 0.027 and then 0.0081 blank and then and so on. Okay, titik tu jangan letak banyak-banyak. Titik tu 3 kali sahaja. Okay, jangan letak titik. Oh, seronoknya tulis titik. Okay, titik itu ada maksudnya ya. Maksudnya and so on. Ataupun yang seterusnya dan seterusnya. Okay. Okay, tadi kita dah dapat pattern. Kita kata pattern dia ialah multiply 0.03. Multiply 0.3. Okay, so kita nak dapatkan nombor yang sebelumnya, kita kena buat backward. Bila kena buat backward, dia jadi operasi dia berterkali, flip. Maksudnya kalau darab, dia bila flip dia jadi bahagi, division. Okay, so kat sini kita cuba, okay, kita cuba cari 0.027 divide, okay, 0.3. So dapat 0.09. Okay, cuba kita tengok 0.09. Is it correct? Okay, so kalau kat sini, okay, daripada 0.3 nak dapatkan 0.09 is times 0.3. Is it correct? So kita cuba, kita cari jawapan dia. Okay, 0.09 you divide by 0.3. Yes, you get the answer. Okay, 0.3. Jadi kat sini dia punya pattern is multiply 0.3. And then you fill in lah, complete the number sequence. Okay, and then you try untuk D. Okay, you try macam mana nak dapatkan, nak completekan example D. Okay, so the first step you have to identify is the pattern. What is the pattern? Identify the pattern. Okay, now we continue to example 8. Ini kacang goreng. Okay. Example 8, complete the number sequence below based on the given pattern. Dia dah bagi siap-siap pattern. Soalan ni soalan mudah. Okay, aras rendah sahaja ini. Okay, sebab dia dah bagi pattern, you have to complete the number sequence. Okay, pattern dia apa? Untuk A tu subtract 4 from the previous number. Alah, kacang goreng saja, senang saja. Selesaikan. Okay, selesaikan. Okay, sebab soalan ni untuk example 8 ni, bila dia dah bagi pattern, you fill in. Okay, you fill in the number sequence. Okay, ikut sahaja dia punya pattern. Alright, now itu sahaja untuk kali ini, video kali ini. Okay, for further understand about pattern, number sequence and patterns, okay, try to do self practice 1.2. Okay, okay, remember mathematics. Okay, untuk kuasai matematik, you have to practice, practice and practice. Do more exercise. Okay, do more exercise for mathematics. Okay, untuk kuasai konsep-konsep yang ada dalam matematik. So, see you in next video untuk 1.3. Okay. Sebelum cikgu lupa, jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe cikgu punya channel. Okay, okay, bye. See you in next video. Bye.